Who's the present from?
Oh, Steve.
From O. Steve?
I think he meant Canada.
Yeah, taking the wrapping paper off. Do you remember Steve and Jen?
I think that's it.
How did they know?
Okay, that's one.
Perfect. Yeah, we've been talking about painting, haven't we?
Yeah.
You've been talking about that for about
Look
2 or
at
3
that thing
days.
with a paintbrush.
Painting.
Yeah.
And they two do together.
They go. Yeah, they go
Yes,
together.
they do.
What's the what's that a picture of?
Painting.
Yeah, but honey, what do you see?
Go see.
Whoops.
It's just together.
They go together.
Yeah. Like this painting. I think it's painting.
You like it?
It's good painting.
Yeah.
I said this painting. It goes together.
They go together. And you know what you can say, Charlotte? You can say, "Thank you, Jen. Thank you, Steve."
Thank you, Steve. Thank you, Steve.
And thank you, Jen.
Thank you, Steve.
Thank you, Jen.